what's up guys? This is Jay and you are watching Indian Ostomy Boy. So as you know that I'm a rectum cancer survivor with permanent colostomy, and yeah, I'm living a very normal life from last 10 years. I got my ostomy because of my rectum cancer and it's completely cured now, and I have a permanent ostomy now. So I make videos related to ostomy, my vlogs and everything comes on this channel, Indian Ostomy Boy. So whoever are interested can subscribe my YouTube channel. Yes. So guys, today's video is very special because I will be guiding you how you can cure your ostomy skin if it is rashes, if it has rashes, and if it has a reddish or it has become reddish. So definitely what sort of a skin care you require, or to prevent all these things, what we should do so that it doesn't have all this problem. So what I do, I will share my experience, and hopefully from years and years I have been maintaining my skin very properly. So I will be guiding you what you should do so that your skin becomes healthy or it remains healthy. So first of all, I would suggest that you should use these types of betadine solution. Yes, if you use this type of a solution every time whenever you are changing your bag, what you have to do is that just take a mug of water, or like whenever you are changing your bag, you need some water, and just mix this solution with that water and just clean the surface of your ostomy, or just the skin around the ostomy with this solution, and keep it for almost 10 to 15 minutes, or if you want you can keep it for 20 minutes or like this. And always use this type of betadine solution, because these are doctor recommended. Like doctor, whenever they do any surgery, they use this type of a solution because it helps in healing the surgery also. So whatever the stitches or something is there, it can definitely heal. Plus it is an antiseptic also, so whenever you have a chances of some infection, it will cure this also, it will cure that problem also. So make sure you are using such type of a betadine solution. Yes. So secondly, what I will do is that once you have used it and kept your skin for like almost 20 to 15 minutes, after that what you can do is that either you can use this type of a powder. Normally what we do is that we use this type of a stoma powder from the Hollister or from the Adapt, or something like a ostomy powder from the Coloplast brand. But sometimes these powders, more than this, I would suggest that why don't we use this one. These are little bit cheaper also, and they are less expensive also. So this is also a powder from the betadine. Yes, and what you need to do is that just sprinkle this powder over a skin, and yes, on the skin, and keep it for almost 10 to 15 minutes. And what it will do is that it will repair all that cuts and everything, all the red rashes. And after applying it for 10 to 15 minutes, or if you want you can keep it for 20 minutes also, just keep it open. And after that, once everything is done, just wipe the excessive powder from your skin, and then if the skin is fully dry, and then you can apply your ostomy bag on that day. Yes, so this is something which I will recommend. These are different brand, like this is a local brand, like Cipla is an Indian company which manufacture this type of a product also. So this one is little bit less expensive and this is little expensive, but the work is almost same. So instead of using all these powders which are from the Coloplast or Hollister, I would suggest to use this type of products because they are more effective as per me. So this is also you can use because I use it. And secondly, like I would give you a bonus tip. Like suppose if your skin is very worst and you want it to recover as soon as possible, I would suggest that you need to take some food or eat some food that will create less stool. Yes, and just go for a diet which will have no stool or it will create at least very less stool. So in that situation, if the stool is not coming out, then it will get it will not touch your skin, and eventually your skin will get more time to repair. And what I will do is, what I will suggest is that keep changing your ostomy bag very frequently till the time your skin is completely repaired. Like normally how many days you go for a bag? Like single bag normally lasts for 5 to 6 days or 3-4 days. But if you are having a skin problem, then I would suggest that go for a change of a ostomy bag in at least 2 days or at least 1 day, because I know changing your bag in 1 or 2 days it will cost or it will waste your most of ostomy bag. But you need to make sure that you have to apply all these things so that your skin heals very fast. And if you are applying all these things after a 1 week or 5-6 days, then definitely all these things your skin will repair little slow. So it is necessary that you apply all the medicines and everything quickly, like at least 1 day after or 2 days after, so that it heals very fast. And make sure that you are not eating food which create a lot of gas or which create a lot of a stool, so that you need to take care. And don't eat junk food, or if you are taking a lot of antibiotics, stop it, because that also create a lot of burn, or that also create a lot of loose motion. So you need to just stop for some time. You can ask your doctor that I'm having the skin problem, I need to stop all the antibiotics or anything, because that affects your stoma also. So whatever I have said, I think that is on the basis of my experience. And one more thing I would suggest, like some people who have granulars, like a small red pimples around the stoma, for them I would suggest that copper sulfate is the best thing you can use. How you need to apply is that just take a rock of a copper sulfate. It normally comes in a blue color copper sulfate, and just apply that small rock of a copper sulfate on that pimple or that the small reddish thing on the stoma, and just rub it, and just like use it with like dip it in a water and just rub it on the stoma, and do it for like 4 to 5 weeks, and you will see that that stoma has gone down or it has burn out. So definitely all this product has helped me in past, so that is why I'm suggesting you. So there are a lot of videos which I've made regarding stoma healthcare or my personal experience how to manage stoma, so you can all find that in my playlist or like in my full channel. So go ahead and search the content which I have made. Like almost every video is very useful if you go through that. And if you have any doubt or if you have any suggestion, you are most welcome to put that in a comment box. And yeah, this video was all about the skincare and everything. Currently I am signing out. Take care and goodbye.